Hi, chào các bạn. It's a Sunday morning and I'm going to see a movie. So let's learn some vocabulary about going to see a movie, okay? So today we're going to see a movie, a Korean movie called Ký sinh trùng, Parasite. So I'm very excited. So the phrase going to see a movie, we say đi xem phim, đi xem phim. Or in the South, we can also say đi coi phim, đi coi phim. When you say a movie in Vietnamese, you need the measure word for movie, and it is bộ, bộ. So a movie is một bộ phim, một bộ phim. Okay, so where do we see a movie? We see it at rạp chiếu phim, rạp chiếu phim, or for short, rạp, rạp. So who can you go to see a movie with? You can either go alone. The word for alone in Vietnamese is một mình, một mình. So you can đi xem phim một mình. Or you can go see a movie with your friends. In this case, we say đi xem phim với bạn, với bạn. Okay, we're going to get the seats and some popcorn maybe. So I've got the tickets. Tickets in Vietnamese is vé, vé. So a movie ticket is vé xem phim or vé coi phim. When you buy your ticket, you will be asked to choose your seat. And the word seat in Vietnamese is chỗ ngồi, chỗ ngồi. Literally place to seat. So while we're at the ticket counter, you can also buy popcorn, which is bắp rang, bắp rang. And you can also buy nước ngọt, which is Coke. Okay, so we just finished watching the movie. To describe a good movie or a bad movie, you will use the word hay, hay for good, and dở, dở for bad. So a good movie, một bộ phim hay, and a bad movie, một bộ phim dở. I would describe today's movie as hay, hay. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you find it useful. If you happen to see a movie recently, let me know what's the movie's name and is it a hay or a dở movie. Okay, bye bye.